think I'll put the queen on there. Now I need to get her out. So, probably doing this all wrong, folks, but that's how I'm doing it. Don't want to stab myself. There. The queen is free. Well, the line's free for the queen. So I don't drop her in, I'm all right. Get hold of it. Probably going to be a bunch of bees come flying out of here in just a second. So I'm going to drop them down a little. Oh, that's right. We got a can in there yet. So now we got to get the can out. Without there. That kind of bounce them down. Now I need to put my board back on top, or else they'll all fly out. Or what'd I do? I dropped the queen, didn't I?
No, it's there.
Put that stick on there, Gene, too. Right. Now let me get this queen out. I just slide it over so the hole's covered. And let's see, let's drop a few of them in there. Probably shook the queen more than I should. Now let's see. Yeah, the candy end should be this one. Do you got that little screw? There it is. I hear a wood thrush, is that?
Mm-hmm. Sounds like it's right there in that tree. Oh, I see it. I think that's the first one I've ever actually seen singing.
There. I have a screw back. We're going to put her where she can go towards the bottom of the frame. Wait a minute, we're supposed to put that up so that she can climb out and the bees can't do. Yeah, I did that other one wrong, I think. Yeah, I did. At least the way this should go in here like this anyway. So she's stuck in there. Together. Kind of move them together a little bit. And now, take this off. Set it here. They will go after the queen. Now we got to remember on that other one, since I put it upside down, I will definitely need to go in there and make sure she's released in a couple days. This out the front, they can go in there. I need a cover like that. Looks like they're happy there. Brush them up. Let them crawl in. Guy's going over here. Isn't that what you want to make?
Got your finger on one.
This stuff. Let me make a couple smaller holes. Did I get it? Let's see. Yeah. One of these. Alright, we got two of them in now. Now, I want to get the queen out. So when I get this barrel out, jug out, I need to save her. I think I'll put my thumb right over it like that. Tell you what. You put that over it, Gene? Just stick it right there. Get her out of here. There. Now, where do we put our screw?
Okay.
Can you see the mark? She's on the other side.
Yeah.
She's still small because she's not had enough time to fill out those. I'll take this cork out here. I'm just screwing the screw in next to the cork. Then I can pull it out, hopefully. Looks like I got into a little bit of the candy, but there's the cork out. So now, that there. And let's see, we want that to go towards the top, where she's going to escape towards the top. So the top of the frame is here. And we'll put her kind of sideways. Push her in there, and she's good. Let's see, I have to put her this way. A little more room here. There. All right, now we got her stuck in there. So next, I'm going to dump the bees in. So I'm knocking down the bottom. They're probably saying, what is going on here? Good news is they're going to have some. I think they can run away from it. believe I could have just turned that queen loose. So I didn't have any problem with her. Now, I'm going to make a hole in the can. I'm going to fill that hole up in the ground. That was probably too big, but